Hello, welcome everyone to lecture 6 and 7. So today we're going to revisit the concept of sustainable development. So originally the term sustainability actually has a German origin. They were using the term in the forestry industry to indicate that how they must manage forestry in a way that they can continue to harvest timber for a long time. But what does sustainable development mean? That sustainable development means that we have to change a little bit of how we are doing development so that we can continue to do the same kind of development? Or does it mean that we have to totally change the meaning of development? So today I'm going to show you, just like any other concept, sustainable development has a very specific history in the field of international development. It doesn't just start in a vacuum. So actually, the idea that environment is important and the possibility that development can be not so good started in the 1970s. If you remember, our own Gaylord Nelson from the Nelson Institute actually established the Earth Day in 1970, and we just celebrated the 50th anniversary of it. So it was a decade in the 1970s that people start to realize the importance or to start to realize the danger or the harm development has done to the environment. But sustainable development is really only mainstream in the international development after 1990, but not without changing some ideas so that it can be more appealing to different people and different stakeholders in the international development sector.